Hello guys! Ito ngayon nagre-record tayo ng video. Just to finalize or just to ask them. Si Dodge. Ito si Carlos! Carlos! Ano yun? Question is, ano ba? Are you approved with Marky? Are you approved with Marky? Are you approved with Marky? Ano?
Are you in love with me?
Are you? Marky, are you in love with
Yes or no?
Carlos?
Yes or no?
What will be the answer? Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Ano ba?
No, just answer the question.
Okay.
What do you mean by okay? So it's a yes or a no? What?
Okay.
Okay. Carlos, what you can say about that?
Kiss me.
Kiss me? Oh my God. Kiss me daw. Love! Kiss me daw. Ano tingin mo?
Wala akong comment, nasusuka ako eh.
Nasusuka daw
comment daw. Nasusuka daw si best friend. Nasusuka daw si best friend.
Hindi.
Ano na?
Pwede daw si best friend. Ano ba rin?
Nasusuka.
Kiss me.
Ano daw?
Kiss me.
Saan ba?
Kiss me. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Ano daw? Ano ba?
Agad-agad?
Ang tagal ah.
Ano agad-agad daw?
Abi mga pakoinas pa
It's being recorded. It's being recorded. Guys, just for your information,
Yes.
this is being recorded.
Ang tagal.
This is gonna be
My God,
posted on
ang tagal.
Facebook. Oh my God! I saw that.
lang?
I saw that.
Ako ba?
Oh my God, I saw that. Oh my God, I saw that. Oh my God! What does it mean? What does it mean?